Welcome to Particle Pharma. Hope you all are fine. As soon as we will listen the word exam, we all will get afraid. I know that. Even nowadays, students are getting very much afraid because exams are coming and they might be thinking that whether they have prepared well or not to get the better achievement and it will be the time sufficient to prove themselves during the exam. So, this video is for those who have prepared for their exam and for those who haven't prepared for their exam. Let me help you by showing this diagram that where exactly do you find yourself or where exactly you are falling under this diagram. Some students are there, those who are not interested to study. See, it is not necessary for all the students to get 100% marks or to get 90% marks. Some students are there, those who are not at all interested in study, means they will get less marks due to which they are getting negative comments. So don't worry, we will help you to get the good results. Time being, you will get passed in those exams and after that it's your wish in whichever field you want to go, you can go. And it's an humble request to all the parents, please don't force your children to take this field, to take that field, and to get 100% or 90% marks. It is not necessary for all the students to get 90 or 100% marks. And some students are there, those who are confident enough. So they have prepared for their exams, they are having some time to revise their material. And some students are there, those who are falling under the category of goals achiever. They have already prepared for their exams. They are having ample of time to revise what they have learned and they are having some literature with them. Means already prepared material is there. So students are categorized like that. So whoever you are, either you are coming under the category that who are not interested to study or you are coming under the category of you are confident enough and if you are goals achiever. So this video is for all. Anybody can watch it and you will see the improvement after watching this video. So we have prepared a scheme of preparation to help you to get the better results. So why you have to prepare for the exam? First question in the scheme of preparation or for the first step. Either you need to pass in the exam or you need to forward in your field, isn't it? So for preparing for the exam, you need the resources as you need the weapon for the war. Like that only you need the resources for the exam. So what may be the resources? I will tell you later. So with resources, you should understand how will be the exam, what is the exam, where will it be the exam, in which subject you have to get thoroughly prepared. So for that, we have created a study plan along with active learning techniques so that in a better environment and getting self-care, you will be completely prepared for your final day and you can get better results. So we are helping you in finding out the answers of these questions or the points. So coming to gathering of the resources, what will be the resources actually? See, that is literature. Literature includes the textbooks or notes which your college or school has given it to you. So try to collect all at a time for all the subjects so that while reading or while studying, you should not get distracted that you will complain to your parents or guardians, see, I don't have notes, I cannot prepare for that exam. I don't have that many notes. If I am having notes also, they are not incomplete. So please avoid all those reasons. Just get the good notes or proper notes beforehand only. Keep it with you and start preparing so that it will not waste your time. Next is past exam papers. After completely getting all the notes, after completely preparing from all the notes which you have got it, you just go through once about the past exam papers if you are having less time or if you are having extra time also, it will be a kind of revision to you. After doing all these two things, go for group study. See, sometimes you won't be having that notes or sometimes you won't be getting that point if you are studying alone. Okay, so while doing group study, your friends might be having new notes or they might be having a different aspect of that problem, like in maths or physics. So they can explain you better rather than other people. See, I'm not degrading teachers here. I'm just telling that they can help you in a different manner or easy manner which you can study, isn't it? So by doing all those things, you are having the resources now. So after getting the resources, what you will do? You will start preparing. Now you have to understand the exam format. What actually will be the exam format? See, these 3 points are interrelated to each other. Okay. So let me explain it to you. You should know the topic or you should know the subject, that in which subject you have to do the work hard. Okay. Hard working subjects will be there and medium or easy subjects will be there. So it is up to you based upon the time limit. As these two things are interrelated to each other, based upon the time limit, you should understand that whether you have to start with the hard subject or whether you have to start with the medium or easy level subjects. So it depends on you and in which category you are falling. If you are an hard working student or smart working students, you can easily tackle this. If you are coming under the category of goal achiever or not interested to study, I suggest you should start with medium or easy level subjects. After that, you can go to hard level subjects. Okay. In that only question types are coming. In medium or easy level subjects, you will be having very easy question types. So you can complete it first. After that, in hard subject, you will be having big questions or you will be having analyzing questions, isn't it? So for that, you have to take ample of time, isn't it? So these things are interrelated to each other. So based upon the time, go for that. Is it? I think my point is clear to everyone. If you are not getting clear, you just contact us. We will be explaining you in a better manner or just go through the video once. Next is create a study plan. Now you have everything. Now you know what will be the subject. Now you are having a resources. So you should have a proper plan. Without any plan, you can't do anything. If you are going on a excursion and all, you might be having some plan, isn't it? Like that. So you should also have a plan while studying. So what is the plan for your study? You should set goals. Like example, if you are having 10 days for your exam, so you should divide in those 10 days what you have to do. You have to learn new things, you have to revise what you have already learned, and you have to check yourself that how much you have completed, isn't it? Like that, you have to set your goals. Next, priority is given that whether you are going to learn new subjects, I mean new topics, or you are going to revise it, which I have already told you in set goals. But priority exactly means here is in terms of time. If time is there, you can go for learning of new topics. If time is less, first you have to revise the things which you have learned, then go back to the new topics. I suggest. Next, finish the task. In a study plan, after learning and after revising, you have to finish it completely. Don't leave it half. Otherwise, what you will do is you will learn the first topic and you will learn the second topic. What you will do? You will learn the first topic half, then you will learn the second topic half. Then you will leave this by getting tense. Oh my God, time is leaving. Then I should go for the next topic. No, no, no. Don't do like that. Try to learn it completely. Then go to another topic. After finishing the task, try to take short break in between. Like do for the half an hour. For every half an hour, take a break, isn't it? After that, go for again selection of the topics. Then again finish your task. Then go for short break. Like that, in cycle manner, do that. After completion of one topic, like it is taking 2 hours or 3 hours, then go for self-scanning or self-test. It is best as it might be evaluating or assessing your mistakes, which you might not be thinking that I have already learned, I can present it on a paper. Sometimes it won't happen like that. You will forget while writing it. So self-scan is helping you to finding out your mistakes. So you have to check yourself. By doing this, you will get good marks. Next is with all those study plans and all, and with active learnings, you can achieve good results. So what is those active learnings? See, active learnings are whatever key points are there with you. Try to condense that key points in between those short breaks. See, while discussing with your sister, while discussing it with your friends, just try to accumulate all those points and tell them whether I have learned this correct or not. You just check it. Like that you tell them, okay? And you should be confident enough while learning and while presenting it on a paper, so that it is very much helpful for you to write it on a paper or during exam. And one more thing is mind maps. So in mind only you try to adjust, okay, after this it will come, after this it will come, or try to create some small key points like, or small things like, acha, with this it will come, with that it will come, like that you keep it. Next, flashcards. Flashcards are those you can keep it with you while having breakfast or while traveling. Just take it out and revise it. You can keep those in your mobile phones also, but please don't misuse it. And the most important thing is practice, 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 as practice makes one perfect. And you should have positive attitude always. You should not think, acha, I am not going to learn this, it is very much difficult thing. Okay, if it is a difficult thing, you try to learn how much you can learn it. Okay. And one more thing, I have already told you before also, group study. After doing everything, you can go for group study once, at least for 15 to 10 minutes. It is going to increase your concentration. It is going to clear your doubts. It is going to give you a new ideas. Okay. So till here, I have explained it to you. What are those active learnings? How you are going to understand the subjects? What will be the study plan? In my next video, I will be explaining rest. Thank you.